what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a lot of lipstick in my teeth. Hold on. I hope you guys all enjoyed this extreme heavy glam festive Christmas New Year makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how I struggle to get this extreme heavy glam, then just keep on watching. For primer today, I'm just going to use the Becca Backlight primer. Okay, I think we'll just pump it onto my finger. Good. Then for foundation, I'm just going to use the Huda Beauty foundation, and this is in the Why did I wake up this morning? This is in the shade Shortbread 200B. To concealer, I'm just going to use the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is in the shade Light 2 Vanilla. And I'm just going to apply this just with a beauty blender and just start pressing it in. Whoa, I look really weird. Okay, so to set everything in place, I'm just going to use the Colourpop No Filler Setting Powder. I actually love this wee powder, by the way. For the price of it, it's a good wee powder, but I sometimes find that you have to set quite a lot with it. Like if I just set the way I normally do with any other powder, I kind of find that my face is still a wee bit sticky and I'll still crease. So I do find that whenever I'm setting with this powder, I do have to set quite a lot. So next up for highlight, I don't even need to explain this product because yous already know. For blusher, I'm just going to use this wee palette that I got off Shop Miss A for $1. Well, £1. This is probably one of the most pigmented blush palettes I own. So I'm just going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Bronzer. I'm so nervous to do this eye makeup. Like, I have honestly no idea how I'm going to do this or what colours I'm going to do, but I just thought that the best palette to check out was the Jaclyn Hill palette because this just has a great selection of colours. I think I'm just going to start with just an obvious and pretty basic transition shade. So I'm just going to take a mixture between these two shades up here because they are identical basically, and I can never decide which one to actually go for, so I always take a bit of both. So I'm just going to take this just on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to buff this shade into the crease and just buff it right up to the brow bone. I literally haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I think I just need a minute. I think I'm just going to grab this shade here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to take that just on a flat packing brush because I'm actually just going to apply this shade just all over the lid. Once I have that packed on, I'm just going to take a wee bit on a blending brush and just buff some of that shade just into the crease. Just wanting to try and darken that a wee bit. Well, not necessarily darken it, but just deepen it a wee bit more. I'm just going to go in with a liquid liner. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild liquid liner, and I'm also just going to take the Kat Von D Tripper liquid liner as well. What I'm ideally wanting to do is I want to do a very, very thick wing, but I'm really wanting to extend it so I can smoke out the lower lash line. I'm basically wanting to do like an upside down, like flipped version, reverse smoky eye. So I want to keep like the lid smoky, but smoky so it ties in with the lower lash line, but I'm really wanting to smoke out the lower lash line and smoke out the actual wing itself. And I'm just going to use this Pixie eyeliner, and this is the Endless silky eye pen. So I'm just going to smudge and blend that liner a wee bit. I'm just going to go straight into the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to take that on just a very, what is this? Just on a very small defining brush. So I'm just going to place that black just as tight to the lower lash line as possible. So then because I have that liner already blended out, that's going to give this black something to really stick to. And I'm just going to bring it right into the inner corner. So then just using the tip of the brush, I'm just going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm just going to use that black again. And I'm just going to start stamping it just where that wing is. I don't know whether to blend it out or blend it out with another shadow. Okay, I'm just going to slightly blend it out, screw that. This shade here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to just start blending that just up the lower lash line. Just like 50-50, like half on the black and then half not on the black. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to go into a Kiko single shadow, and this is in the shade 20. I'm actually going to zoom these out so you can't see how rubbish this looks. Okay guys, so I did go off camera and I did try and fix this a wee bit. I personally do think that looks somewhat better than it did, well, than this does. Like, look at the state of that. Like, what does that even look like? That literally looks as if I done that with my feet. I just honestly needed to get off camera, get in the zone, and just do something because it just was not right. So the first thing I did was I took this NYC liner, and it is in the shade 864 Liquid Gold. So I'm actually just going to take this liner and I'm just going to draw a line just above the black liner. I did take a wee bit of eyelash glue, and I'm just going to take some tweezers because I don't want to ruin any brushes with this eyelash glue because it's crap. I'm just going to go in with a glitter and just place that on the eyelash glue. Really? Now for lips. I know we are pretty heavy on the eyes, and usually I would go for a nude because I am so heavy on the eyes and because I like my nudes. But I actually think I'm just going to go for a metallic red. 'Tis the season. What can I say? Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Thankfully we got there in the end. I'm actually glad that I added the glitter. That is one thing about glitter. If you are doing an eye makeup look and you don't know where it's going or it's not working out, just add glitter. Glitter makes everything so much easier. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll all be linked and listed down below, and all the products that I use in this tutorial as well will also be linked down below. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video.